Hello everyone, thanks for checking out Smartbuild for steel. Today I'll be doing a design using red iron and wood framing interior walls. As you can see, we have a model here on the top left that I'll be designing. And each time I make a change, my price up at the top is actually updating to my live price for the customer. So I can go ahead and add overhangs, see how they look, and then I can adjust my colors, pick the color that the customer would like, go with a shiny black roof, and we'll do the brown on the side walls. Again, the colors that you would use may be a little bit different than the list you see here, but if you customize a database, we would upload your own colors. So I can inspect the model here, get a good look of all the sides, and next we'll move in and add a porch here. So with the porch, I'm going with a custom length porch. I can set my start point at 0, set my length of my porch, adjust the width, and even set the height where it matches the main roof line if I like, or drop it down a bit, and even go with a different pitch. Whenever I get my settings the way I want and I click on the building, I get the porch added automatically with a new price at the top. So if I want to make this a wraparound porch, I can go ahead and change my start point and leave all the other settings the same. And this copies these settings onto another porch. So as soon as I click here, now it will add this porch, and we can see we get the full wraparound on the corner. So for the next step, I'm going into openings. We have 4 classes of openings. You can customize any door type that you sell. You can have different colors and different sizes. Just picking a standard size here, we'll go with the black door. Next, we'll move into windows. Choose a double hung style. I want to keep it with the black theme, so I'll go with one of my black models that I have. And I can just click around the model in 3D here and add these windows. If it's easier, you can also place openings in 2D. But for this case, in this model, I'm just adding them in 3D so we can get a nice visual as we add them to the model. Also want to add a few entry doors. I choose the class of door that I want. I even include a doorknob so it's included in my price. So at this point, I think the outside looks pretty good. We'll go ahead and move into 2D view. And we'll add a few interior walls, maybe fine tune our doors a bit. So I'm just adding a full length divider wall. I can set where I want that wall to be, what kind of wall it is. It's a stud frame wall in this case. I'm even doing wood frame. So you can mix wood frame with steel frame if you like. And then I can also add complete rooms all in a single click. So I set my room size, the specs of the room, the material that goes on it, and how it gets framed. And then just click right in the model, and I can go ahead and add all those walls in one click. Go ahead and put a mudroom here, entry from the garage. And then we'll go ahead and add a few interior door openings here. I'm not including the entry doors in my bid, so I'm only framing an opening. Go ahead and tweak this door here, scoot it over a bit, set that measurement to what I want it to be, and apply that change. When I'm done working in 2D, I can save my changes, go back and I can toggle the roof off, and I can see what all this work that I've done. I can show the customer and make sure that's the layout they like. I can also export drawings then showing this new floor layout. So there we go. It's a really quick design, and we can have several other videos showing the outputs and how to do a complete bid. But thanks for joining today. I hope you enjoyed it.